James here, and today we're taking a look at this everyday carry flashlight from BORUIT. This is their V10. It's a super small little flashlight. Now this super small flashlight does pack 900 lumens brightness. It does come with a whole bunch of cool stuff. First and foremost, it comes with the keychain, so you can clip it to your keys if you want. Second, guys, if you grab something metal like this, you'll see that it actually magnetizes and sticks to that. If I turn it on, you guys will see that it actually works while sticking to the magnet. The magnet's actually super strong, so you don't have to worry about that. And of course, if you need it, has that, guys. Now, it's got a charging cable to USB to USB-C charging cable, and it actually has a charging port on the back. Is also where you'll see the loop clip for the keychain clip. On the front, you do have two buttons. Those buttons actually indicate and do a couple things. First and foremost, if I just tap this button, right, it's going to turn the light on. Now, if I double tap that, you'll see that it goes to a brightness of just a white light. If I tap it again, it'll change the brightness. If I tap it again, it even goes dimmer. And of course, if I go super bright with that. Now, some other cool stuff. If I turn that off, of course, just like that, we are good to go. Grab the other side, double tap that, and you guys will see that it starts doing some more lighting with that. You have the reds and blues flashing. You have just a standard white light. You also have this green iridescent, which is actually really cool and lights up the case nice and green. If we go over, guys, you have this one as well, which goes into just reds or a warming effect, which is actually good for approaching animals and stuff with that. You can go back in, you have the red flashings, and then you have the reds and blues, of course, with that. Now, it also has a UV light, guys. The UV light is what's the one that makes this glow green. That UV light is actually cool because you can actually identify certain coins. You can find like maybe pet stains on the carpet, or even look for scorpions in the desert. Now, I don't say approach them, but hey, you can do that. Guys, again, this is the BORUIT V3, super small, everyday carry flashlight, rechargeable. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a great one.